I'm Ryan Iverson, and this is the Investor Breakout Weekly Insight. Let's talk about what happened this week. Bitcoin just broke through 120,000 USD, doubling in value since last July. And there's more behind the move than just momentum. While we saw a brief dip overnight from profit taking, optimism is holding ahead of what could be a landmark week for crypto markets. What's driving this rally? Corporate treasuries are ramping up Bitcoin purchases along with ETFs, which let investors buy Bitcoin through regulated stock exchanges. Both are seeing record inflows. But the biggest catalyst, Washington, is getting very serious about crypto regulation. This week, lawmakers are reviewing three major bills. One would regulate stablecoins. What I spoke about a couple weeks ago, the digital tokens pegged to the dollar, are under federal standards. Another would define whether crypto assets are securities or commodities, giving the market long-needed clarity. A third would block the Federal Reserve from launching a central bank digital currency. Bottom line, regulatory clarity could be the green light that brings traditional finance deeper into crypto. Faraday Copper is gaining serious traction, and it's not just because of the price of copper. The company is backed by a heavyweight shareholder base, the Lundin family, Murray Edwards, and Pierre Lassonde. Names that not just bring capital, but influence and long-term alignment. Together, they control nearly 40% of the float. Faraday's flagship project, Copper Creek in Arizona, holds over 4.2 billion pounds of copper in measured and indicated resources. And that's just based on 17 of over 300 known breccia zones, meaning exploration upside is massive. The geology is compelling. High-grade breccias for early cash flow and large porphyry systems for long-term scale. A major catalyst just landed. On June 30th, Faraday received a key federal permit for 67 new drill pads, triggering a breakout to new 52-week highs. Next up in the second half of 2025, an updated resource estimate and economic assessment, along with phase 4 drilling. With solid economics, clean permitting, heavyweight backers, and a recently completed $45 million financing, Faraday is shaping up to be a powerhouse in the mining sector. Summer is here. The 6th annual TSX Growth Capital event kicks off this Friday at the Delta Grand Okanagan Resort in Kelowna. This is a private invite-only event run by CEM where issuers on the TSX Venture Exchange meet directly with pre-qualified investment professionals in the small cap space. This year, we're hosting 41 companies with an average market cap of 60 million, with a combined market cap of 3.2 billion attending. Confirmed notable participants include Kawetino Energy, Fury Gold Mines, Hydrate Technologies, Millennial Potash, Neptune Digital Assets, and Onyx Gold. Over 700 one-on-one investor issuer meetings are scheduled. And at the end of the day, investors take part in the Investor Breakout Exchange, which I will host, where they highlight their top company picks. Those picks will be featured in the Investor Breakout newsletter, straight from the room to your inbox. So be sure to subscribe.